What's up, guys? Right now, we're about to make a drift car video. I'm back here in the background for a Fast and Furious fan, and you should know this is Paul Walker's R34 GTR Skyline. Today we're going to be trying to drift. This ain't working well.